Hi, so I'm doing a 10-day trip in Italy, and this is all I will take with me. So here we have a sailing jacket. This is just a shell that is waterproof and windproof. Then two shirts, one is a fleece, the other one is a long sleeve synthetic material with kind of this polar tech style padded stuff. Then I will have my hiking pants, which are windproof and quick dry. Three pairs of underwear, two pairs of wool socks, and one just simple nothing. I think it's cotton with some synthetic blend. Nothing special about them. The sport style. Then I will have three merino wool t-shirts, which are great because they don't smell at all and they don't wrinkle as much, and when I have to wash them, they dry up super fast. Then my Havaianas, because I expect it to be cold and I don't want to go around with bare feet because I will get cold there. Not the first time I had problems like that. Then I have this time a foldable 10-liter backpack, which I expect to be wearing around. Then toiletries, my toiletries bag, deodorant, toothbrush, shampoo. I have to buy the new toothpaste because this is gone almost. Razor, nail clipper, a condom, of course, lip balm, and a kind of painkiller. Then for my electronics, I will have my phone, which I'm filming now with, and the charger for it. That's it. That's all I have. Then sunglasses, of course, my wallet, and a buff, like a tubular neck warmer, and beanie, merino wool beanie. This I expect not to be enough, so I will take also my puffy jacket, which can be folded into something more smaller, into its own pocket, let's say. On my feet I will wear these Salomons, which I bought a few months ago. I'm pretty satisfied with them. They are like a trekking style and Gore-Tex, so it's waterproof. Pretty good so far. And all this will go into my Eastpak backpack. Okay, that's it, people. Bye.